गरीब साध साध सब नेक हैं, आप अपनी ठोरी। जो सतलोक ले जावेंगे वो साधु कोई और।
Virtuous souls, God had spoken 600 years ago in his nectar speech, in Kabir's speech, in Sachidanand Ghan Brahm speech, had said 600 years ago that
वेद मेरा भेद है, मैं मिलो वेदन में नाही, और जौन वेद से मैं मिलूं वो वेद जानते नहीं।
Vedas are my secret. They are providing my knowledge, are glorifying me, but I cannot be attained by the methods described in these Vedas, because in these 4 Vedas there is a mention of spiritual practice up to Brahma, and the 5th Veda, which was the Sukshma Ved, which was the speech of Sachidanand Ghan Brahma, that is, the 5th Ved was destroyed by God Kal so that all the living beings under me may not get to know about true God, and by doing this worship may not get out of my trap. From this intention, this God Kal destroyed that 5th Veda to fulfill the loss of that 5th Veda. The Supreme God himself comes from Satlok, and then he provides information that is called the speech of Sachidanand Ghan Brahma. It has been said in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 4, verse number 32, that the practices explained in verses 25 to 31, that Arjun, someone does yogasanas, some worships the gods, some are non-violent, strap their mouth and walk barefoot so that no living being is killed. Some do such practice. Some do sarvadhyay. Some only pay attention to inhaling and exhaling. The air goes out and air comes in. Just keep focusing on this. Only this needs to be done. Even if you do not focus on it, then also breath will come. What has changed by focusing? So, without knowledge, they were fooling us and were wasting our time. This practice was not correct. It was arbitrary worship against the scriptures. He says in chapter 4, verses 25 to 30 in Gita Ji that the seekers consider their practice to the destroyer of sins, and that is why they are doing. If they get to know that it is wrong, then they will leave it immediately. Then it is said in Gita Ji chapter 4 verse number 32 that the true knowledge of these yagya which they are doing are trying to attain God. Yagya means religious rituals. The information about these yagya, religious rituals, has been written in detail in the speech of Sachidanand Ghan Brahma, Brahmane Mukhe, that is, God has come and has spoken from his mouth in that speech. That true knowledge has been written. Virtuous souls, that is the speech of Sachidanand Ghan Brahma, Kabir Vani, and God says that these 4 Vedas are glorifying me, but I
आप सुन रहे थे जगत गुरु तत्वदर्शी संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी के मंगल प्रवचन। अधिक जानकारी के लिए विजिट कीजिए हमारी वेबसाइट www.jagatgururampalji.org। संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी के शुभ आशीर्वाद से पूरे विश्व भर में 500 से भी ज्यादा नाम दीक्षा केंद्र हैं, जिन पर संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी द्वारा ऑनलाइन निशुल्क नाम दीक्षा दी जा रही है। अपने नजदीकी नाम दीक्षा केंद्र का पता करने के लिए संपर्क करें 8222880541।